Good morning, everyone. It's a blessed Sunday, March 1st. I wish everyone a blessed March this month. And today being Sunday, it's going to be chain maintenance. That's my pet Max. So, chain maintenance for both the bikes. So, this is diesel, a brush, a small cup to clean the chain. Max, poured diesel here. I'm using a paintbrush. And you'll see this dirt going quick. That's the chain loop. And all the muck from the alloy easily go. See this? It's the easy way to clean your chain, and all your mucks would come up easily. All right, I've cleaned almost everything, and if you look at this, the diesel is empty and it's become dark because of the muck and the oil from here. So now I got to clean this up with this brush, and then I'll go to Triumph to clean the Triumph bike. So I've just washed it normally with the water, without soap, and you can see the result of the rim and the chain. I'm just going to use this cloth to clean the little bit of muck and oil from the chain links. Clean as new.